Hello, welcome back. So this is the Lego Friends Mermaid Roller Coaster Ride set. It looks so wonderful, right? I mean, I think this is one of the best sets because I just love roller coasters, and I don't have any Lego Friends roller coaster yet. I don't really like roller coasters, like actually riding the roller coasters, but like these roller coaster toys are super awesome. So we actually have two mermaids in this set. They're not probably like actual mermaids, but it looks really nice though. They're like really shiny outfits, and their hair is also really nice. Look at that, it looks so fun, right? And it's not just a roller coaster. We have some other things to do as well, like for example eating cotton candy and stuff like that. And oh my god, it looks so wonderful, right? It's gonna be so fun, I think. It's so exciting. And you can also take photos, like when you ride roller coasters, they also like take photos of you, and the photos are really hilarious. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Bye bye.